Obviously, this is a cooking vlog. This time it's a cooking vlog. Cooking for me is like joy. What is up with you guys? It's your girl Runaway with Reese once again, and welcome back to another vlog. Yay! Finally, yeah, it's been a while since I last posted a video on my YouTube account because I have been very busy, occupied with different stuff lately. So yeah, I haven't had a lot much spare time to do the things that I actually love, like writing and filming and doing YouTube videos. But today it's Saturday, it's the weekend, and tonight I invited a friend for dinner. So yeah, obviously we're here in the kitchen, so we're filming a cooking vlog. So if you're following me on Instagram, or you might have seen some of my videos here on YouTube, you might have noticed that I am mostly out in the mountains, hiking, or going for a walk to the forest, grabbing coffee with friends and stuff like that. But this is also another side of me, the side of me which actually likes to be in the kitchen. I wouldn't say I'm great, but at least I know how to prepare decent, healthy meals. But fun fact, my parents are actually very good in the kitchen. I learned a lot from them. But it's not only until I moved out from home when I started going to the university that I was forced to be better in the kitchen, to be able to feed myself. Otherwise, I would starve. And my interest with cooking built up, and I started to explore different types of recipes, just experimenting and still learning as time goes by. I mean, being in the kitchen, it's like, for me, it's like a therapy, you know. Cooking for me is like joy. It's whenever, especially when I get to share it with someone, like share a meal with a friend, or cooking for someone I love, family or friends, and then it makes me happy. Let's start doing this. Oh my god, I'm so hungry. So whenever I cook, I like to prepare all the ingredients, so I wouldn't be like running around and getting all the things like from time to time. I want it to be like in place in one go. So I'm just gonna like take everything, and yeah, so let's begin. First, we need to make a marinade for the pork chop by chopping 2 to 3 pieces of garlic, and probably just a half of the onion. For this recipe, it would be nice if you put some lemongrass, but since we don't have it, lemon zest is also a good alternative. So just shred a little bit of amount. I'm going to put some fish sauce. This is the one I'm using. Maybe 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. And this is a Filipino brand of soy sauce that I'm using, so I'm gonna put maybe 2 tablespoons. And I'm gonna put some maybe a little bit honey. In Asia, we don't really measure. We just like hope for the best. Put a little bit of sugar. Sugar. And we squeeze a little bit of lemon. Put in the zest, the lemon zest that we have shredded. onion, of course. Everything. And I mean the garlic. And a little bit of the onions. And then we just give these pork chops a little bit of massage. Just a little bit of massage so it mixes well. I should have gotten a bigger bowl. Wrap these with a clean wrap and put it in the fridge for, since I don't have the time, maybe for just 30 minutes. Just so the flavor soaks into the pork chops. And while waiting for the marinated pork chops, I'm going to peel off and slice a little bit of cucumber for my side dish. For the garnish, I'm chopping 3 stalks of scallions, and afterwards I'm putting boiled oil on it. And then if you have spices like a chili or something, then you can add it. It's your choice. This is your food. So you can do whatever you want. You can add whatever you want. Maybe a little bit of lemon. Okay, now it's time to put our pork chops in the oven. Here. These are nice, thick pork chops here. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Pour a little bit of the sauce on top so it gets the flavor. And put on some pepper. Dash some pepper in it. Of course, rice is life. I love eggs so much, so for this dish I would add 2 eggs, deep fried eggs. These pork chops are best cooked in the griller, but since we don't have a griller, we just baked it for 20 minutes, and I would recommend finishing it by frying in the pan for at least 2 minutes each side. And finally, we're done. Here comes my favorite part, the plating. No, actually, my favorite part is the eating. So we're putting here our very good cooked rice, the pork chop, and of course the well done egg. It's very good fried. And we're putting some garnish on top of the pork chop, the scallions with oil that we boiled. And of course my homemade carrots and onions, pickled carrots and onions. It's very good. And I'm adding some some sauce that I made. And of course, some cucumber on the side. And of course, we're dashing the plate with pepper. Woo! Dinner is ready! Guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something and see you on the next one. Bye!